In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find duplicates in Zoho Sheet. This is a powerful feature that can save you a lot of time, especially when you're dealing with large datasets. Zoho Sheet includes a handy tool called Find Duplicates, which is part of the data cleaning suite of options. This method is straightforward and effective for ensuring your data is clean and organized. Let's get started. First, you'll want to identify the column or range of cells where you believe there might be duplicates. Duplicates can often skew data analysis or reports, so it's essential to pinpoint them accurately. Once you've determined this range, select it by clicking and dragging your mouse over the cells you want to review. This helps Zoho Sheet know exactly where to focus its duplicate finding efforts. Next, go to the top of your Zoho Sheet and locate the menu options. Navigate through this by clicking on Data, which you'll find in the toolbar. This will open a drop-down menu with several choices related to data manipulation and cleaning. From this list, select Data Cleaning and then choose Find Duplicates. This will activate the tool you need for this task. When you click on Find Duplicates, you'll notice a panel will appear on the right side of your screen. This right side panel is your command center for detecting duplicates. Here, you need to specify precisely which columns you want Zoho Sheet to inspect. If you're only concerned about duplicates in just one column, select only that column. However, if you're looking for duplicates across multiple columns, make sure to appropriately select each one. This tailored selection ensures that Zoho Sheet's analysis aligns perfectly with your needs. Once you've set your parameters in the panel, Zoho Sheet automatically goes to work. It will search through your specified range and highlight any duplicate cells or rows. This visual cue is invaluable because it makes spotting these duplicates incredibly easy, giving you a clear visual representation of where duplicates exist within your dataset. With these duplicates highlighted, you can now decide how best to handle them, whether it's deleting them, moving them, or addressing them in another way based on your specific needs or data policy. In conclusion, this built-in tool within Zoho Sheet is both easy to use and efficient for anyone looking to maintain accurate and clean datasets. Whether you're a business professional looking to ensure your reports are precise or a data enthusiast who values streamlined information, the Find Duplicates feature is an essential part of your toolkit. It's all about making your data work for you, and with this method, you can ensure it's not overshadowed by erroneous duplications. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you manage your data more effectively. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave your queries in the comments below. See you in the next video.